Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the UPONUN brand, their outdoor motion sensing solar floodlights with 360-degree swiveling mounting bracket and smart working indicator and dusk to dawn operation, and it's fully IP65 waterproof. And I have a slide showing what that means. You can shoot water at any angle and it won't get into the electronics. So this is unique. It has a 360-degree rotating mounting bracket, as I mentioned. It includes a solar panel and the floodlight that you see right here. So you can change the angle of both of these and you can get the optimal angle on the solar so that you capture the sun to charge this. It has a smart working indicator used to distinguish the working status of your solar panel and lamp body from indicator lighting. So like right now, this is showing me that there's some light going into the solar panel because the blue display is on right there and it's illuminating. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it's showing me that there is some energy going into the solar array. It'll also display the different working modes. We're going to test that out. This has motion sensing with dim or no dim, built-in sensitive and stable daylight sensors, and PIR motion sensor. There are 3 work modes for this light. M1 working mode has a red indicator, motion plus dimming. M2 is green, motion and no dimming, and M3 is red and green steady, and 30% brightness till dawn, no motion. So we're going to try and demonstrate all those things. This is available for indoor lighting or outdoor lighting. Unique mode for outdoor lighting, M4 mode, red plus green blink, motion sensor plus no day and night, which can be used in your shed, barn, warehouse during daytime. So that means if you want to use it during the day and you don't have to wait for the sun to go down to have it come on, there is that mode, which are called the M4 mode. Easy to install this. I'm going to show that within 5 minutes with these included brackets. And the seal switch and the electronics is waterproof, as I mentioned, IP65. This company provides a lifetime warranty on all their solar lights, and that's really a great deal. Money back guarantee. They focus on the technology innovation of various solar lights, outdoor and indoor, so there's no worry. There's also after sales service. Just contact them on the Amazon messaging system. So if you take a look at this, it comes with these nice mounts, and you could mount these on any surface you want. They do include screws for this, and you can see that it just turns into there. There's a cord of 20 on there, and then you turn this to the right to lock it, and then the angle is adjustable just like that all the way down to 90 degrees. And the tighter you turn this plastic nut right here, the more pressure it puts and locks this in place. The tighter you turn this, the more this locks that in place. Now the solar panel is the same exact mount and with the same conditions. Now what I really like about the simplicity of this, it looks really nice. It looks all smooth corners. You can just see the waterproof, and look how thin that solar array is. I've never seen one that thin, and I've tested a lot of these. Another thing I really like about this is the connection on here that you unscrew. Let's unscrew this. I was going the wrong direction. It's just a simple barrel connection. Most of the other ones I've tested have a 4-pin connection that you got to line up. This is a no-brainer. You just put it in and rotate this to the right and clockwise, I should say, and then it tightens it and you're all set. So here I'm going to demonstrate the different modes of operation. I have all the lights off. I have the solar panel turned upside down so that it will allow the light to work, simulating nighttime use. So on the bottom is that button I described. I'm going to hold that down for a couple seconds. And you see the red LED right there. And now the light came on because it sensed some movement, because when the red LED is on, that's motion plus dim. So now it's going to be on for so much time, and then it's going to go to a dim mode for a certain amount of time. Let's let it test that out. And now you see it went to the dim mode automatically, and you can see that it still has the red little indicator light there, and you know that you're in mode 1. Now we're going to get to mode 2. We're going to turn the power switch on again. We'll hold it for a couple seconds, and then we're going to pulse it one more time, and now you see that it came on because it was in the green mode, and that's motion plus no dimming. So it sensed that I was in the room moving. So let's let this reset. So there you can see that it turned off. There's no dim, and now I moved and it came back on. It's very sensitive. There's a really sensitive sensor on there. Now we're going to go to the third mode. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to hit it twice. And now you see that the red and green is blinking. So it's in mode 3. And mode 3 is it should stay on all night. So now you can use it as a work light or a light for your outside shop, or where you might have chickens, something like that. They'll stay on in this mode without any detection. Now I turned it on again and I pulsed it 4 times, and now it's in the green and red blinking mode, and it's going to stay on as an indoor light with no sensing going on. I'm going to show you how bright this is. I have it on full mode, full brightness, and I'm in total darkness in the studio room. As you can see, it's bright. It's illuminating the whole room, including the chandelier. So it's bright. I mean, I'm looking into it and I'm seeing stars. That's how bright it is. So you can just see if I point it that way by the curtains, or point it here up to the ceiling. It's very bright. So what do I think about this solar sensing light? I think it's a good value. The thin solar array is really unique. These mounts are very flexible, very easy to change the angle of everything. The thing you're going to have to do is get used to that display and get used to those color changes there, but the manual does outline that out, and as I demonstrated, it does work. You just got to keep an eye out on those sensors. But it does work, and it does seem to be very bright, and I love the profile of it. So I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert the new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.